Hi everybody, just thought I'd show you my latest experiment in rewiring halogen lamps for LEDs. On the left side you see a standard halogen light. I like the fixture, but I can't stand halogen lamps. They take up too much power, they cost more money, they're hard to replace, and they throw off a ton of heat. On the right hand side I've taken out the wires and used a little solder and heat shrink tubing with some high temperature wire and a ceramic socket, and it's a standard Edison socket. You use this thing to put in any standard bulb you like. I personally favor the LED bulbs. When you turn them on, they're just as bright as the other bulbs. And this bulb takes 150 watts, and the bulb down here takes 14 watts. So why bother with halogen lights if you can just rewire them with Edison sockets and use a standard LED bulb? Hope you liked my little video. Thanks a bunch. Bye.